My name is Scott Tease. I'm the Executive Director for High Performance Computing and Artificial Intelligence here at Lenovo, and I want to welcome you to our booth here in Denver at SC17. We're really excited this year. We managed to win 5 HPC Wire Reader's Choice Awards. 3 of them were in combination with our clients, which we're just ecstatic about, but 2 of them we did on our own. The first one is the best product for HPC, and the second is the best storage product for HPC. One of those 3 awards was with the University of Birmingham, who's one of our favorite clients, because they're doing really cool things like the Zika research, but they're always pushing the envelope on what's possible with technology. So let me tell you about the Zika work they do. And this really could work for pretty much any infectious disease, but they send their researchers out into the field with basically USB-based sequencers. They take data right there at the outbreak source. They do some analysis on the laptops there on site. Then they send that data back to the Climb data center, back to the University of Birmingham, where they do a lot of their deeper research on it, where they can really track what's going on to the virus. How is it changing? How is it spreading? How can we stop it? And that's just fantastic. So Vesta is a really unique company. What we like about them so much is the fact that they've built HPC into as a core part of their business. Everything they do really involves HPC. It's not some side project or some test thing. It's really an everyday business. They use HPC, data analytics, big data. So what they're doing here is they're pulling massive amounts of data from their wind turbines, from their fields. They're using that data to optimize power generation, to optimize service windows, when to take that system down. A lot of these things are unmanned. So, pulling this data out and figuring out automatically what needs to happen to that turbine to optimize it is a great thing, and that's what they won that award for, and we're just really happy to be a part of that. The Think System SD530 is a brand new system. I just started shipping with the Intel Scalable processor. We've installed many of them, about 7,500 already, including the 2 biggest Skylake systems in the world, one at Barcelona Supercomputer and the other a heterogeneous system at Cinica in Italy. This system is amazing. It's a small 2U 4-node system, so that means you can get 4 servers and only 2U of rack space, but it's unlike any other 2U 4-node out on the market in the fact that the PCI, the I/O, doesn't reside on the node. It actually resides in the back of the chassis. So whenever I have a problem with a node, I don't have to go to the round of the back of the rack and uncable anything. I can just pull my node right out of the front of the system, service it, and put it back in. All my I/O, my power, and everything stays right in place. Makes for a very easy serviceability. It also makes it very easy for us to cool this thing because I get lots of fresh air moving through the system very easily due to its design. So we're really excited on what that system's going to do for researchers all over the world. We started shipping the DSS back in April, and we wanted to do something different than most people do for high performance storage. They normally build very proprietary systems. What we wanted to do was start with our building blocks, our common high volume building blocks. We started with a standard 2U server, a standard Lenovo high density JBOD, and then what we do is we take the best software in the industry, in this case with DSSG, what we won the award for, it's IBM Spectrum Scale. The Spectrum Scale is added to that stack, and we basically create an appliance built on top of standard high volume components. It delivers very high performance, extreme resiliency, and it basically works flawlessly inside of an IBM Scale file system based cluster. I'm excited about 2 things. One is the work we do with our clients. We'll talk about that. But on the product side, I'm really excited, I guess, most about what we're doing around water cooling. Now, I feel like we kind of pioneered the idea of warm water cooling back in 2012, and we've taken it to an all-new level this year. Our new system, based on the newest Intel processor, allows us to power and cool processors that you can't run with air cooling. And we also do it at a much greater energy efficiency than you can do with air cooling. So that's going to be fantastic as that starts to ship. It's going to allow us to pack more performance into a rack than we've ever been able to do before. So that's the product side. On the customer engagement side, we're doing a lot more work with people like Birmingham, with Vesta, countless clients all over the world. It gives us so much pleasure to know that our systems are powering the research that's changing our world every single day. Well, thanks for stopping by the booth here. We look forward to seeing you again next year in Dallas at SC18.